Welcome to another edition of Tech Tips in 1 minute or less. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate 3 proven ways to extend the life of your battery. First, put your phone in low power mode. To do this, simply tap the low power icon inside the control center. Next, put your phone in dark mode. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, Dark mode. Finally, toggle off all the settings in Analytics and Improvements. You'll find these settings under Privacy and Security. Please subscribe to get more tech tips in 1 minute or less.